If you're an adventure seeker, Phuket is the place for water activities. Whether it's a thrilling scuba diving experience or a relaxing boat tour, Phuket offers the best options for a fun-filled time on the water. Phuket, Phang Bay Bioluminescent Plankton and Sea Canoes. Discover the captivating allure of bioluminescence during a sea canoeing tour in Phang Bay, departing from Phuket. Embark on a journey through the enchanting waters of this breathtaking destination, where you'll witness the extraordinary sight of bioluminescent plankton illuminating the bay's crystal-clear depths. This magical experience allows you to explore the diverse underwater world around you, creating a serene atmosphere, perfect for relaxation and enjoyment. After a scenic stop at the charming islands of Phan and Hong, prepare to immerse yourself in the natural beauty of the area. Your ultimate adventure awaits as you continue towards the iconic Koh Tapu, home to James Bond's legendary lair in the 7 films. Experience the stunning views of the sunset, followed by a delightful dinner at a local restaurant, offering a chance to fully appreciate the natural wonders before the evening unfolds. The magic begins as the sun dips below the horizon, casting a warm glow over the bay. At this moment, the water becomes calm and illuminated by the vibrant bioluminescence emitted by the plankton. It's a breathtaking sight, showcasing a mesmerizing display of glowing lights that will leave you spellbound. The calmness of the water and the abundance of plankton make this the ideal time to observe the natural phenomenon firsthand. As you stand amidst the tranquil surroundings, surrounded by the ethereal beauty of bioluminescent water, you'll feel a profound sense of wonder and appreciation for Mother Nature's most incredible creation. This unique tour offers an unparalleled opportunity to witness the natural splendor of Phang Bay's waters, combining elements of sea canoeing, cave exploring, and the mesmerizing spectacle of bioluminescence. Whether you're an experienced traveler or simply seeking a memorable adventure, this tour promises to provide an unforgettable experience that you won't soon forget. Phuket, Maya, Khai and Bamboo Island with buffet lunch aisle. Depart from Phuket and commence your journey aboard a speedboat across the vast ocean towards the Khai Island Sea. Upon arrival, proceed to Lo Sama Bay, renowned as the setting for Koh Phi Lay. Here, observe the serene beauty of the small island and the secluded beach. Proceed to Maya Bay, known for its breathtaking cinematographic appeal, where scenes from the popular film The Beach were shot. Relax on the pristine white sand beach, and explore the area independently. Wander through the restored areas surrounding the bay, admiring the efforts dedicated to preserving its natural splendor. Ascend to Pila Lagoon, an unoccupied national park offering a glimpse into the region's geological wonders. Admire the emerald waters within the protected lagoon, framed by towering limestone cliffs. Next, venture to Monkey Beach, a tranquil location nestled among verdant landscapes and dramatic rock formations. Enjoy the scenic views while observing the playful antics of the native monkeys, which may choose to climb the cliffs, rest on the beach, or engage in aquatic activities. Indulge in a delightful international buffet lunch at a beachside restaurant on Phi Don, followed by a leisurely afternoon spent exploring nearby beaches. Transition to Nui Bay, situated on the northwest coast of Koh Phi Don. This dive site offers crystal-clear waters perfect for scuba diving enthusiasts. Swim freely in these inviting waters, allowing yourself to fully immerse in the marine life. Conclude your tour with a relaxed half-day on Bamboo Island, where visitors can engage in various activities such as swimming, relaxation, or sunbathing. Return to your speedboat for a comfortable transfer to your hotel, marking the end of an unforgettable adventure. From Phuket, day trip to Khai with private Longtail tour. Koh Phi offers an exclusive opportunity for guests to embark on a personalized Longtail boat excursion, accompanied by a dedicated private guide. Departing from Phuket, Participants board a shared speedboat for the initial journey to Koh Phi Phi Island. Upon arrival, travelers proceed to explore the island's rich marine life, starting with a guided 4-hour private Longtail tour. This itinerary encompasses visits to several breathtaking spots, including Maya Bay, renowned for its stunning beauty, Pile Lagoon, offering serene retreats within crystal-clear waters, and snorkel experience, where divers marvel at vibrant coral reefs and colorful fish. For those seeking adventure, a visit to Monkey Bay awaits, featuring playful crabs and friendly monkey sightings amidst lush vegetation. Visitors also have the chance to witness the historical significance of Viking Cave, albeit under restricted access conditions due to conservation efforts. Throughout the experience, guests enjoy expertly curated commentary, ensuring an enriching sensory immersion into the natural wonders of Koh Phi Phi. Phuket private daylight till the nightfall fishing. Embark on an adventurous guided night tour with local squid fishermen guides. Depart from Phuket for a cruise to Coral Island and Kahung Beach aboard a vessel equipped for navigating through the Andaman Sea. During the journey, immerse yourself in the traditional practices of this significant Thai fishing method as you explore the fishing grounds. Upon arrival at the pier, savor dinner served on board while enjoying breathtaking views of the sea. Upon completion of your meal, venture into the open waters for a unique experience. Observe and participate in the ancient art of light-trapping squids, a technique exclusive to nighttime operations by local fishermen. Relax on deck throughout the voyage, and captivate with the celestial beauty of the stars visible above. Return to the pier, ensuring a smooth sail back to your accommodation where you will be greeted upon arrival at your chosen location. Phuket, Phi Phi Island, Sunrise Group Speedboat Tour. Embark on a luxurious day trip from Phuket to the Phi Phi Islands aboard a state-of-the-art speedboat. Your journey begins at the Royal Phuket Marina, where you board the vessel and set sail towards the serene Phi Phi Islands. Upon arrival, you will dock at Maya Bay, a protected national park renowned for its breathtaking panoramas. This picturesque beach offers pristine white sands, crystal-clear turquoise waters, and the opportunity to spot rare species such as whale sharks, dolphins, and reef sharks. After enjoying a leisurely breakfast, you can relax on the golden shores of Maya Bay, while admiring the surrounding marine life. Next, venture into Pile Lagoon, a secluded natural swimming pool surrounded by towering limestone cliffs. Here, you have the chance to explore the depths of this tranquil haven, and perhaps catch a glimpse of these awe-inspiring underwater creatures. Following this adventure, head to Monkey Beach for a closer look at the playful troop of macaque monkeys perched along the beachside. While strolling through the area, don't miss the opportunity to observe traditional bird nesting sites used for preparing delicious soups at the Viking Cave. Your day concludes with a family-style Thai buffet lunch, served under the magnificent sky over the luxury pool club at Rangyai Island. Indulge in a delightful array of authentic dishes designed to tantalize your taste buds, accompanied by refreshing beverages and stunning ocean views. Post-lunch, enjoy a comfortable transfer back to your accommodation in Phuket, ensuring a memorable end to your tropical escapade. From Phuket, Phi Phi, Maya Bay, and Khai Islands premium trip. Embark on a day of unparalleled adventure and rejuvenation with our exclusive tour originating from Phuket. This itinerary captivates visitors with its blend of breathtaking natural landscapes and serene retreats, making it ideal for families, couples, and solo travelers alike. Your journey begins with a seamless pickup service from your accommodation, ensuring a smooth transition into an engaging day of exploration. The inaugural destination is Maya Bay, renowned for its stunning beauty, and featured prominently in the film The Beach. Upon arrival, embark on a thrilling snorkeling expedition through the crystal-clear waters, guided by seasoned professionals who will enhance your experience with expert knowledge and care. Following Maya Bay, venture to Paila Lagoon, a sanctuary for aquatic lovers seeking solace. Subsequently, explore the Viking Cave, where historical remnants and the captivating lives of swallows offer fascinating insights into the island's past. Engage in a unique interaction with the monkey population at Monkey Beach, a hidden gem teeming with playful antics and opportunities for unforgettable encounters. Throughout the afternoon, relish a sumptuous buffet lunch at Phi Phi Don Island, accompanied by a hands-on lesson in traditional Thai cuisine preparation, a culinary delight known as somtam. For evening relaxation, opt for a tranquil stay at Khai Island, where luxurious sand beaches invite you to bask in sun-kissed bliss, while indulging in additional snorkeling and swimming activities. As the sun sets, bid farewell to your incredible day with a comfortable return to your hotel, leaving behind a tapestry of memories woven from the vibrant hues of nature and the serenity of untouched shores. Phuket, Phang Bay by modern twin-engine Escort boat. Hotel pickup Phuket. Upon arrival at the designated pier, guests will board our state-of-the-art twin-engine Escort vessel for an engaging Thai-style light lunch, followed by a comprehensive trip and safety briefing. Exploration of First Island. Following the meal, guests will embark on their journey to the First Island, where they will have the opportunity to explore one or two caves and historic temples. This exploration will offer insights into the local culture and natural wonders. Second Island exploration. Upon returning to the Escort boat, guests will proceed to the Second Island, where they can further immerse themselves in the diverse landscapes and historical sites. Additional cave and temple explorations await. Selfie with Krathong and evening activities. In the evening, guests will engage in a unique experience by making their own traditional Krathong offering. Following this, guests will self-paddle through calm waters and enjoy leisurely swims. Dinner and bioluminescence experience. For a memorable end to the day, guests will indulge in a Thai buffet dinner amidst the picturesque setting of Phang Bay, followed by a special highlight, witnessing the mesmerizing bioluminescent plankton phenomenon under the gentle glow of the sunset. Return to kayak and departure. As the night descends, guests will return to their kayaks for a serene float while releasing their personal Krathong offerings. They will then proceed to the pier, where they will be transferred to their awaiting minivan for the final leg of their journey back to their accommodation. Drop off at hotel. By the time darkness falls, guests will have completed their unforgettable adventure, arriving safely at their hotel ready for rest and relaxation.